Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. I'm Renhabel May Palasige Pangsalin. This video discuss about learning experience of the subject Empowerment Technologies or ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It refers to the broad range of technologies used for processing, storing, and communicating information, including computers, software, networks, and telecommunications. Let's talk about the social media platform. Social media platforms have various types that we use, such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google Drive, and many more. Let's move on to netiquette. Netiquette or network etiquette is concerned the proper manner of communication in the online environment. This is the proper way to use social media, such as scrolling on Facebook, sharing verified information, reacting, commenting on others' posts, and engaging in conversation through chats. Next, let's talk about the interactive multimedia. Interactive means that the user or audience has control over the program or presentation. Aside from this, I also learned how to create a questionnaire using Google Forms. And lastly, creating a web page that serves as an e-portfolio where all our outputs are compiled.